Greatest Common Factor by Ben Aquino. Step by step, how to do GCF or Greatest Common Factor. Step 1. Start by making factor trees for each of the numbers that are in the word problem. List out the prime factorizations for each number until you get both prime numbers. Step 3. Now circle all of the prime numbers. Step 4. Multiply all of the prime numbers. Some common mistakes that people make are use or multiply all the prime numbers, and well, you can't do that. Some people continue to factorize prime numbers, which you cannot do because prime numbers are numbers that cannot be divided or be factorized at all. Some people mix up prime numbers and composite numbers. Some people don't know when a number is composite or prime. Some ways how you can fix or prevent mistakes. Check over your answers before multiplying, so see if the prime numbers, you can multiply them. If you don't know if it is composite or prime, you can think in your head if you can divide it. If you can't, it's a prime number. Now I'm going to do the word problem. Mr. Doherty is cutting strips of paper for an activity. One paper is 72 inches wide. One is 90 inches wide. He wants to cut both pieces into strips of equal width that are as wide as possible. How wide should he cut the strips? So first, let's write down our numbers. 70, oh my god. So first, let's put out our numbers. 72 and 90. So now let's make a factor tree. So what can you times 90? What can you times to get 90? So you can do 190 divided by 10 is 9. And then you have to make another factor tree. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 5 times 2 equals 10. Now 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now let's do this. So 3 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. And 5 can be divided. No, I just went wrong. So you bring down a 3. And then for the 2, it's a prime number, so you put 2. Now 72, let's make one. So now that we know that 9 is our greatest common factor, but now we have to prove that. So 72 divided by 9 gives us 8. And then 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So then we have 2, which is prime, so we just bring down the 2. And then we do 9. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And then we just put down the 3's. Or you could circle them if you would like instead. And then circle all the prime numbers. And then, so we have 3 3's in this factor tree for 90, and we have 2 in this one. But these 2 are coming from the 9, and these 2 are also coming from the 9 factor tree. So 9 is our GCF, our greatest common factor. So, Mr. Doherty can cut the paper can cut, sorry, I made a mistake, can cut each paper 9 inches wide, and he will have a total of 18 strips. So that's how you solve a word problem. Okay. I have 4 questions. What do you do in GCF first? Do you A, multiply first? For the factor tree, do you multiply? Do you B, divide? Or do you C, add? True or false? Do you have to multiply all the prime numbers? True or false? How do you make a factor tree? That is a short answer question. Step by step, GCF, show your work. So that's asking you to tell the person asking to explain to them the step by step, like I did. Thank you for listening to my video. I hope you have a good day.